Alright guys, we're out here. We're gonna go find some Pokeballs and Easter egg, right Brayden? We have Brayden here. Brayden, say hi. Brayden, say hi. Say hi, Brayden. Say hi. Alright, Brayden's beside Silas, say hi. Silas, say hi. Say, what are we gonna do today?
Easter egg!
And Pokeball, right Brayden?
I'd like to find Pokemon.
Let's do it. Come on. We're on an Easter Pokemon hunt. Happy Easter to everyone. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Brayden?
Yes.
Let's do it. Are you ready, Silas?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, don't run too fast. You guys won't see the eggs. Look for the colorful ones. Oh my God, they're too fast for me. Oh, look, Brayden, what did you find? What did you find? Pokeball. Good job, dude. All right. Come on, look. You gotta look on this side too, guys. Hey, we gotta look this side, Brayden. There's more over here too. I see some over here, guys. Look at Brayden. All right. Brayden, look. I see something tiny over here. Good job, man. Silas already on 3. All right, you guys just have to put it in the bag. Give it to your mommy. Throw it in the bag. Oh, your shoe came off, buddy. That's all right. Brayden's shoe came off. That's okay. Got a bunch of leaves. Come on, Brayden. All right, and then you give the Pokeball to your mom. When your mom put it in the bag, okay? Then you can find more. Brayden, look. There's an egg over here, dude. Right here. Give it to your mommy. Put the ball into your mommy's bag. Yeah. Good job, man. Good job, dude. Now you can give it to your mommy. She can put it in the bag. All right.
There you go.
Come on, let's find some more, buddy. Look at that. They're just keen on the Pokeball. There's an egg right here.
They'll come back and pick it up.
Hopefully it doesn't hatch. Yeah, they'll come back. We'll do round 2. We'll do a quick run back once they're done going through it. Good job. What did you find, buddy? An egg and a Pokeball. Good job, man. All right, come on. We got her before they hatch. There's some surprise in the Pokeball. Good job. Put your heads up. Keep your heads up. Look, Silas, look to your left. Look to your left.
Brayden, can you put it in the bag?
Brayden, you can give it to your mommy. She can put it in the bag.
You got so many Pokeballs, Brayden.
Wow, look at Brayden got so much Pokeball. I see something over here. You see it? Good job.
Put it in here.
There's an egg. Cool.
Yeah, looking for eggs and Pokeballs.
That's so much fun. You having fun, Brayden? Good. Keep your eyes open. There might be more over here. We're deep in the woods. There's one right there. There's one right there. Be careful, Brayden. Good job, man. You're quick. All right. Don't give up yet. There's still more.
No, I think that's as far as we went.
Oh, you guys did?
Yeah, but they still missed some.
Yeah. All right, buddies. Silas, Brayden, there's still more back there. You guys missed a few. There's some more back there. Yeah. There's more back. So now you walk slower, so that way you can see the eggs. You gotta look. You gotta look. See, look. I see some colors over there. Some pink colors. Running too quick. I can't keep up with them. Yeah, go ahead. You guys can help each other go get it. Come on. Come on, be careful. There's a lot of sticks. You got it, Silas?
I knew my son was going to go.
All right, good job, dude.
Brayden,
There's a bunch of surprise in the Easter egg. Give you a hand. Oh, Brayden, put it in mommy's bag. Put it in mommy's bag. Yep. All right. Let's keep going. See what we find. Might be some left.
High and low.
You gotta look high too. You gotta look in the sky. There might be some hiding. What do you guys see?
High and low. I don't think there's any over there because there's too much.
Yeah, let's keep going over here, guys. Might be some over here. Brayden, you see anything? Not yet? All right. Look at the tree. Oh, look at Brayden. He found something. Good job, dude. Yeah. Good job, buddy. All right. I know. Brayden's pretty tall. Look, there's something over there.
There's a blue egg.
A blue egg, guys. Brayden, Silas, look. A blue egg. Look over here. You see that? A blue egg. Silas just walking through the branches. All right. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Oh, hit the bench. To the left. Mommy said to the left. Good job. Yeah. All right, guys. Okay. I see some colors over there. I see red. Oh, I didn't even see that one. Cool. Good. Look, Brayden see red egg over there. All right. Good job, Brayden.
Good job.
You're doing great, buddy.
Good job.
Good job, guys. All right, do you guys think we're done?
No.
You guys think you guys found all the Pokeball and all the eggs?
Even if they didn't, someone else can find it.
There's one more.
There's one more?
Yeah.
Oh, where could it be? Brayden, do you know where it could be? Or do you think we're done? Okay, when we walk, if we look close, look left and right. If you guys don't see anything, then I think we're done. I think you guys got them all. All right, look left, right, left, right, left. Do you guys see any colors? No? I think you guys got all the Pokeballs and all the eggs.
Yeah.
Good job, man. All right, hey, we did a good job. High five. Yeah. Okay, high five each other. High five each other. High five, Brayden. Good job, guys. All right. I got one hand. Good job, you guys. That was fun, right? All right. We'll play after this. All right, they're gonna review what they got here, you guys. See what they get. Brayden, what'd you get? Brayden got some chocolate. Silas got some. What'd you get?
Candy.
Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy.
Candy.
You want some candy? And then they get to open the Pokeball. Silas got a red Pokeball. Brayden got a blue Pokeball. Wow. Brayden, are you excited to see what's inside the Pokeball?
I got red one.
Yeah, you got a red one. Brayden got a blue one. All right. You guys get to open the Pokeball too, whenever you guys are ready.
He's like, whenever you guys are ready.
All right, boys, are you guys ready to open the Pokemon cards, the Pokeball?
I'm not done.
Oh, you're not done yet?
Yeah, I think I heard about this.
Brayden, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter, Silas. Silas, say Happy Easter. Oh, Pokeball's gonna roll out. Let's see what you guys get. Do you know what's inside? Maybe candy? Maybe a pair of shoes? Maybe some clothes? Let's see what you guys get. Let's see what Brayden got. Whoa, Pokemon, Brayden. How many packs do you have?
Got it?
2, 3.
Good job. He has 3 packs. Brayden got 3 packs. So the Pokeball comes with 3 packs of Pokemon card packs. 3 booster packs. All right. And a little coin. All right. Sorry, you gonna show Brayden how to open the packs here?
Show Brayden.
Because Brayden got 3 packs too. Let's see what Brayden gets. Let's see what you get, Brayden. Show everybody what you get. Whoa, first card is a, I don't even know what that is. Fomantis. All right, you can put it on the ground, see what else you get, buddy. Ooh, we got a birdie. Cool.
Yeah, look at what you got.
Nice. Peck-a-peck. Oh, we got a Sandile.
Silas's code card.
Guys, look.
Whoa, that's a Rattata, Brayden.
Wow.
Whoa, got an owl. Got a Persian, a reverse owl Persian. Good job, Brayden. Keep going.
Wow.
What'd you get, Silas?
Guys, look.
Ooh, that's you.
Yeah, that's
Whoa, Decidueye. That's a bird Pokemon, Brayden.
Zubat.
Energy.
Zubat.
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 Good. Wow, look at that guy. That's cool, right, Brayden?
This is why you whip all the down.
Okay, when you guys open all your Pokemon, you guys are gonna tell us which one your favorite, okay, Brayden?
Guys, look.
Ooh, look at that guy.
Look, guys,
You got a Pokeball there, Brayden.
Look, I got shiny.
Ooh,
got
so
shiny?
shiny.
Let me see.
Nice.
Ooh, this is the shiny.
That's a nice one, Brayden. That's a
Wow.
Pokeball, buddy. Timer ball.
I like this one.
Yeah, that one's cute.
Shiny.
Cosmoium. All right.
Okay, next one.
Look, Brayden, you got 2 packs left. Let's see what you guys get. Brayden, open one more, and then we can go play.
Open the other ones. Here you go,
Are
Manai.
you watching?
Auntie's watching. Here, Brayden.
You can open this.
See what you get, buddy.
You open that one? Okay, let's see what mommy gets.
See what mommy gets.
Code card.
Okay, a cold card for everybody.
Let's go.
Oh, look at you got a Dratini, buddy. And another Sparrow.
Okay.
Let's see what Silas get. Silas still going. Oh, Psyduck.
Oh
Green.
no.
That's a duck
no.
Pokemon. Mommy got
Oh, it's a
some cute Pokemon reverse hollow.
Pikachu.
I got a shiny too.
Yeah.
And a toucan.
Brayden, what'd you get?
Toucan. Boy, you know.
Oh, Brayden got an Eevee2.
Yes, I know.
Look at that.
Pikachu.
Like a peck. And Silas got a Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Oh, look at what Brayden got. Look, Brayden, look at your hand. What is that? You got a cool card. Brayden got a GX card. Brayden, show everybody, Brayden. What'd you get?
Whoa.
Brayden got an UMBREON GX. Look at that. That's such a cool card. Good job, Brayden.
You got
Water energy. All right. Wow, look at Brayden. Brayden got a fire hands today. Wow, good stuff, Silas.
Look, one more.
Wow, got a snowball. Grandball, I mean. Good job, Brayden. You got a real cool pole here, man. Good job, buddy. All right. You guys want to open the last one? Or Brayden, you want to open the last one, Brayden?
I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done.
All right.
Good job.
Good job, you guys. Silas got, Brayden got the UMBREON.
Okay, let's see
Good
if
job,
I have
Brayden.
good hands like Brayden. Well, probably not, because this came out of Brayden's pack already.
Yeah.
So this is probably gonna be a regular.
All right, the boys are off for some more fun.
Okay. A good.
Hopefully you get a magic, or not magic, rainbow card.
Because
honey.
Brayden already opened all of them.
Beautiful day to open some Pokemon card, everyone. Happy Easter. Let's see what the wifey gets.
That's
Oh,
it.
That's it. All right,
Brayden
good job,
had
honey.
the good car.
Brayden won
Brayden
with the
killed it today.
UMBREON GX. All right, Brayden, you rock. Whoa.
Keep doing it. Whoa. Okay, John, keep doing it.
Yep, that's so fun.
Yeah. Whoa. Do you like this? Do you like this? Oh,
It's okay.
okay, I'm done.
Hey, Brayden, what's up?
Stop.
What's up?
They go up to the there.
Look at that castle. Two giant slide. The boys are currently in there. What's up, Brayden? What's up? What's up? We're playing tag. Where's Brayden?
I don't know.
You wanna go find him? Okay. Let's go on an adventure. Let's go find Brayden. Come on. Where is he? See if you can climb that. Can you do it? You got it? You got it, buddy? You can do it. Okay, let's go find Brayden. Is he over there? Where is he? See you later, everybody! Go! Go! We found Brayden. Brayden's right here. Brayden, are you having fun?
Yes.
Good job. High five. Good job, buddy.
Mommy, go away.
Oh, they're going up there. They're going up here. Come on.
Jump! Jump, Daddy!
All right, wait your turn. Wait your turn. Okay. Brayden's turn. Come on, Silas. Silas' turn after this. Goodbye, you guys. Goodbye. Whoa! Woo! Here we go. Going fast, supersonic fast. Look at that. Is it going fast, Brayden? Is it going fast, Silas? Whoa.
I'm gonna go fast. Do you want to get on? Yeah, I want to get on.
All right, more people's coming on. Coming on board. All right, she's pushing it. Whoa. Careful.
Hi, Crimson. Hi, Mimo. Boop.
All right, we are heading out.
Oh, yeah.
So, did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right.